Nissan Y12 wing road and do a service on this, service of the throttle body, the 4 injectors, the EGR, the airflow sensor, the EGR tubing, it all because it's totally clogged up, on the inside there, clog up. The EGR temp sensor, clean. UVT. We have a set of plugs to change also. The plugs. So I'll clean up everything and move to my back. Right, so all the parts clean up there. 4 intake valves. Set of plugs to change there. 4 injectors. UVT sensor. Throttle body. EGR tubing, see inside, silver, EGR temperature sensor, clean up, and the airflow. Then assemble back everything and start to up on the EGR hose and clean. So you get through the Y12 wing road, start up now. Get to go.